So guys, we're here in New Kingston. Just traveled down from St. Ann, New Year's Eve. Yes, so I get it from the roadside, kinda. So it's New Year's Eve and we're going to a family member's New Year's Eve party. We had to come down really early, like we get up 5 a.m. this morning because I had a coaching course to complete. So the kids were there in the car while I was doing that, which lasted around 1.5 hours. So then I eat from morning. Now after 9 now, almost 10 probably. And most breakfast place stop serving breakfast. So find a place on the plaza. Anyway, spices. Yeah, spices food them I eat. Breakfast and lunch. So you have some plans today. I have a surprise for you guys. Carrie Swaggy go pick up our citizenship. Swaggy is officially Jamaican. So our citizenship get approved. And we're going to pick it up at Pika. And then we are going to the zoo. Kids them want to go to the zoo. So yeah, the kids want to go to the zoo. I carried them to the zoo. I think they went to the zoo once or twice when I'm young baby. Once in Vietnam, one in Jamaica. So yeah, I carried them to the zoo. Then, what is on the plan? Yeah, and then go our cousin's house, chill out for the rest of the day. A big party in the night and ring in the new year in style. What really has the most hungry if you eat. So yeah, they're hungry man. Sometimes I say them for hungry because they take things for granted. So yeah. And if you wonder where is Mila, she's right here. We went to pick her so I can get her citizenship. We are serving now to get some food. I'm going to see Swaggy. I see the Jamaican flesh. Milan, no, baby. You want food?
You want to take Milan with me?
Officially Jamaican, now this is a celebration meal.
Yeah. You want to take Milan, let me eat a little bit?
No, take her, it's not okay. You want to take her, eat a little bit, you know. I'm going to take her. You want rice?
Guys, what's up? I never vlog in Kingston. For a long time, you know. For a long time, I never come to Kingston. Look what we found. We never see that plaza yet. It's a 676 RHR. Guys, do you know that plaza? I don't know. We need to run to grab minute to grab local items in a maxi. You know, in Ochi we used to have Maxi, but they're locked. So we don't have anymore. We don't have them anymore. So me love Maxi shopping. It's not a promo. I'm just personally love shopping in a Maxi. Hello. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Nice and clean Maxi. So what you wanted to buy?
I'm just looking like you.
Alright. Me love looking at Maxi. One thing about Maxi can suck me for an hours. Yeah. Can't lose myself in a Maxi. Girl no like them meds, you know. Girl no like it. So this is Errol. Hold on. But you wanted to buy something like a sheet for the bed? A sheet for the bed? Yeah, let's go on the second floor because we don't really need clothes. Right. Alright, we don't need clothes. We don't need clothes. But what we need a couple of sheets for our Airbnb, guys. Yeah. So we're gonna fresh up our place because a new year, you don't know, a new year, alright? So we have to put up look at work in a few place and it looks good. Boy, then play nice music. Yeah, to me when you love. Oh, Merrows. Come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Yo, come. Come over. But they still have Christmas decorations. I wonder if them gonna admit I look for Christmas stocking, for them nice Christmas stocking. Look at some Maxi, them have nice Christmas stocking. Do they have a Christmas discount since Christmas already passed? How much them sell it for? A 90% discount? A 90% discount? Hell no, not in Jamaica. I think it's America. I don't even see the price.
Oh, look what's there.
They have nice decor for the Christmas tree. Maybe, hopefully, they're gonna drop the prices, but I just feel like they're gonna put it for the next New Year, for the next Christmas, and that's gonna be it. Yeah, so come on, let's go. Here, but I have a lot of Christmas stuff. Ooh, my weakness. I need something like that for my living room, don't it? Yeah. So Mila wants to explore. Just let you go. Just follow she. No. Mila loves artificial flowers. That's nice. Hey. Hey Mila, love it. To the next one. So I'm looking at the carpet for the living room.
What about this one, Daddy?
But I think it's okay, no? Don't you think so? Alright. Guys, I basically asked the lady who is assisting us about Christmas sale, and she said they will not host no Christmas sale. So nothing from this Christmas is going on sale. Yeah. Everything what you see probably going back somewhere at the back till last Christmas, next Christmas. Like this one too. Yeah, but there will not be any Christmas super sale. Nope. Do you like shopping with mommy? You like shopping with mommy? Talk the truth.
Yeah.
You really like? Yeah? Aww. Errol, do you like shopping with mommy? Yeah. So I grabbed a few items. Granny drawers. How Errol calls my underwear, but girl, I have to feel comfortable in a fair granny's drawers. So, yeah. Me and me cotton granny drawers for life. Crest. We crest. Otherwise, think me done. Here, just bought few little thing. Few. Otherwise, me good. Me not really buy clothes. Yeah. This year, me not go really spend money on clothes. Here, this year I come. Me I try to wise up. For this year, me I go wise up. Yeah. Me I go limit me spending on clothes. But I lie, Sha telling you lie. Don't listen to Swaggy. Girl, I feel pretty. Yeah. Fresh clothes. So guys, today it's a New Year's Eve and we are going to celebrate New Year's Eve with our cousin and her family. Yeah. Up on the hill.
Training uniform.
Let me show you the view. You are going to see more of the view because it's going to be a New Year's fireworks. So it is going to be amazing. Yeah, right now you can't really see nothing other than night Kingston in the night. Yeah, and it's amazing and pretty. I love the view. Hey, you see, I love Kingston, uptown Kingston for its view. I would only buy a house for the view. Yep. I would buy a house in uptown Kingston to have a nice veranda and the view. But I like my house same way. Here, me have sea view. People have Kingston view and the sea as well too. I can't complain. Me alright. We in a good place. Errol doesn't want. You want to leave? You don't want to leave uptown Kingston. Errol happy with this location. Errol is happy in Ocherias. Oh, sorry, St. Anne. Yeah.
Alright. The only thing I was tell you, you gotta feel something like Kingston because almost every time we have to come up to my face so I can show.
Yeah, just want to hear you. Hear you bright and clear.
Clear. Kingston, you know, every little business there come there for come at town.
That's
so
true.
We can go poke my brother, so wish me to have a little apartment in Kingston.
Yeah.
So we can just come spend on 1 or 2 nights.
Right.
Yeah, but
without bothering people. Yeah. Just have your own place. You want a bed to catch.
Remember, it was all choice between some of them places I go.
Yeah, but I don't like countryside. Yeah, same way. Because of its nature.
And better road.
Nature, better roads. Oh mine, oh mine, oh mine.
No matter the truth.
Yes, I agree.
As a God live it, the road set away a town.
Right. Patches, after going.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, can be a potholes.
Some big manhole, go pothole. Jesus, please. We can't tell you. We should drive coming at all today. Hey, this is Spanish Town Road. Remember when during the football career, I think it was a long period of time where the road they did a fix like them say hit and do over.
Okay.
Along with Marcus Garvey drive and going to
right, Red Hills.
No, not Red Hills yet. But it's a car
not yet.
Yeah, from Spanish Town Road.
Okay.
From Seaview, they said from racetrack then.
Okay.
Remember they said a fix. But
yeah.
Marcus Garvey 3 mile go. Why Spanish Town Road have looked so yo?
That's crazy,
yo.
yo.
Supposed to accident every day.
True. Especially in the night. When it's dark.
No man, and then as I tell you, the rest of the road then, Red Hills Road. We shall go to the escape.
Yeah man, Kingston needs roads.
Yo,
badly.
Badly. I'll up to
true.
I'll going up to GSE them part to some manual there. No,
that's true. Kingston I feel update when it comes to roads.
Vehicle registration and fitness. When I road them want fit.
Fit true. I agree with you. Roads are the problem. Kingston definitely.
I'm gonna say to Swaggy today and see told them, if you look for the told them what they told them, they go deal. I even told them kind of private and you know. But brother, anybody who told them, I better will get them from the whole road. As God live it. I don't know what the road.
Alright guys, so we're not gonna talk about sad moments anymore because today it's a new year, new story. I'm full of hope that this year is going to give us a break. This 2025 is going to give us a little break. Little hope that good times ahead, not behind, ahead. Yeah man, so guys, happy new year when it comes, because for some people happy new year already happened. For us Jamaica, I think we are one of the last set of people who is welcoming New Year's late compared to other countries like Asia, Europe. They already welcomed New Year. So right, and even my mom in Russia, she already welcomed New Year. So right now, after we turn, we are going to welcome 2025. About you? Jamaica is going to welcome 2025. Bop, bop, bop. Pull up. Boys, enjoy them food. New Year plate. You like the food? Everything good? Cousin link up. Cuz link up. Daniel, Awagwan, why you not eating? You have to eat. See how Leo eating nicely? Yeah. Daniel, just about sweets.
Yeah, but it was big.
Just me, yeah, it was a true story. So.
One more year, but them for sure. Happy New Year, my dear friend. One more year, but them.
Action for one is like a wish that never even starts. I'm hearing this hero's allegation.
Guys, what a morning. Harold, good morning. Good morning, Harold. Good morning, kids. Good morning, Mila. Good morning, the world. Good morning, Jamaica.
Happy New Year, guys. 2025. Welcome to 2025.
Harold, no. Please. Keep an eye.
Island way over there, that's it. Yeah, way down there. The forest, right? That's what I have.
Juice is good. Breakfast. Waffles. Nuggets.
Then you know what I'm eating?
What are you eating?
Blueberry waffles.
Blueberry waffles.
Look, there's some blue stuff.
It's tasty. You like it?
Eating boiled egg, toast, and coffee. You want some? No? Alright. Yes, man. Coffee to the great view. And everything is nice. Guys, New Year. Happy New Year! Yay! What are you eating? Please. Say please, yeah?
Is it big? Oh.
Is it fish feeding, right?
They're eating my.
Guys, we park up at TST. Yeah, man. TST where the party. Them TST. How is it TST? Best party on the island. Legit. Woo! I want me a record. My breast. My breast me not have. Alright, so New Year's Day and TST open today, 1st of January, and 10 o'clock in the morning. 10 o'clock in the morning, people them want them party. Yeah, want them party. Want them party. TST party. Where are you going? Here, so we party too. Come. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, so we're gonna stock up on tasty party. Like I already told you guys, we don't have tasty party in Ocherias. We used to have in Ocherias, but them lock. And them nah come back. Please come back. Tasty, we love una party. Yeah, we need one tasty brunch at St. Anne. So far we have mothers, we have juices, but the party them not really hit like tasty party. You see, when tasty party, yeah, eat tasty party, me always say team tasty. But just addicted to tasty party. I don't know what I'm putting in it, but we say tasty. I will say tasty. I will say tasty. When it comes to beef patty, absolutely tasty patty. Yeah, trust me, taste. It tastes good. Yeah. So we're gonna get a couple of boxes. Sometimes they don't sell more than 2 boxes in one hand. That are the thing. So we're gonna get like 2 boxes of TST, and we are going to freeze, put it in the freezer, and when we're ready, yeah, put it in the air fryer, reheat it, make it hot again. Are we good? Me, I wonder why them not sell more than 2 boxes in one hand. Pick it up, please. Put it back. Thank you. And 10 o'clock. It's crowded, you know. And yesterday was New Year's Eve. People supposed to sleep. It's early, not super early. And soon lunchtime. Let me tell you, soon lunchtime. 10 o'clock in the morning. People are ready. No, people are eating them breakfast. We are on the road already. After the road, I have to go home. We are going home. It's time to go home. Yeah, spend good time at our cousin's yard, but you have to know the limit. You have to know your limit when you go people place. In a catch for lawn, is it? In a catch for lawn. You know, use people resources for land. You spend some little time, some good quality time, made some memories. So your family members, and call it a day. Got 3 boxes today. Well stuck up. Yeah, well nice. Happy. What you get, Danny? Show me.
Cocoa bread with pizza.
Okay, that's how you're gonna eat it? Like a sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay.
When Daddy also.
Oh, he wants cocoa bread?
What do you want? You want pack on this? They said they didn't want it, so we'll share.
So good.
We're back home. Back home. So you talk about views, see your view there? The cruise ship sea view. Cruise ship up outside there. Back home, guys. So thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. So remember, you can get your books on Amazon. This is our book, Life with the Stevens, Finding Financial Independence. Just search Life with the Stevens or Era Stevens, and you can find my autobiography on Amazon as well. Please check the link in the description if you are interested in booking our Airbnbs in Portmore and in Ocherias. So thanks again for watching. Take care, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.